Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is March 6th, and it's Thursday. All right, tomorrow is big monster jobs, so let's see what happens there. That'll depend. That'll let us know what the market's going to do from here. But I think we're at a top, or very close to a top, and we're getting ready to do a nice little pullback, and then maybe move a little bit higher up. But I want to take a look at several stocks today. This one was alerted in the chat room this morning, CPSL. And proceeded to give us some huge returns today, 374. So CPSL, these China stocks are really ripping. A little overbought right now. Nice pullback towards the end of the day. Keep an eye on this one for consolidation and then maybe another move to the upside. DPW, we were talking about this one, and this one finished up today for a nice pop. So we did really well on this one. It was an 83 cents alert, and it hit 207 2 days. So good job on that one. ERII really had a nice pop today. We alerted this one today in the chat room, and after you get some consolidation, this should be support 577 area. Look for this one to get moving to the upside again, maybe 748, 750, somewhere in that area. But nice move on this one today. MOBI, keep your eye on. MOBI started moving. It's been doing really well since the $5 mark. It came up and hit that 10 today, very, very, very close. 974. So it doesn't look like it's done yet. The volume's still coming into it, a little more each day. Relative strength index is a little bit high. Maybe get a consolidation for a couple days before MOBI moves to another new high. But MOBI, keep an eye on. CYNI. This one I like. It broke the 50-day moving average today. So keep an eye on this one. I'd like to break this 100-day moving average next, and after that's broken, then we have this gap fill up here at the 200-day, which is a little over 747. So that would be a good move from here. That would be almost a double, but it was a double if you were in the chat room today. So keep an eye on the CYNI. I think it's going to come up and fill this gap once these shorts starts covering. We have a little gap right here first that needs to be taken care of at 514. Then look for some consolidation before we move up to the next gap. So CYNI, next stop 514. All right, and what else do we have here? I want to look at IFON. IFON, ugly today after it came up and rocketed. But what I like to see is the consolidation right here at 340 and then break of a new high. So keep an eye on IFON. I think it has potential to move forward. There was some big selling into this. It was down here. It was 77 cents, and now today it hit 427. So of course you're going to get some big time profit takers on this one, but let it consolidate. But I think this one is just in a great pattern to the upside. If you want to take a look at the weekly, you can see a little bit better. Okay, it's like a little bit of a rocket ship, and it's holding support in this group right here. So keep an eye on this one to make another move to the upside. Let's get back to the daily. Take a look at a couple more stocks. TAS had a big breakout today, and I like this one to come up and get this 157. Low volume, nothing spectacular, but enough to make some money on, that's for sure. Metals and minings is starting to pick up a little bit. These miners are getting ready to roll. All right, ZX. ZX is another one today. Broke the middle Bollinger Band and in the 50-day moving average. It's about to come up and test this 100 and 200 at 294. If they can give it a couple days and it breaks that, we can start moving much higher to the upside. And this stock was back here at 391, somewhere in that area. So keep an eye on this one. NTN, yes, it's a tiny guy, but NTN 66 cents, but had a nice little pop today. But some of these things can get rolling when they want to get rolling. I mean, this one went up to 99 here. So maybe we get some good volume in this next few days and you can make some money on it. That's all that matters, is making money. AMCF, I like this one here. Got to get this channel breakout and then go from there. Excuse me. Just getting over a cold while trying to. So please excuse me. All right. This fuel system one here, I like this. It's in a great uptrend right here, and now you're hitting its head over here. So look for this one to break out over this trend line and start moving higher to the upside. It's China stock, you know how that goes. A little bit of volume can push these things a long way. So back here is old highs 350 and so on and so forth. So now we've after this consolidation, we reversed and started heading to the upside now, so we could be trending all the way up. So keep an eye on AMCF. Let me give you a couple more here that were live from the chat room today. How about CVM? I like that one. That was a nice one. CVM started moving today. Just want to watch this double top here. I want to break over this double top. As you notice, it acted as resistance today, but it is in a solid uptrend. So as soon as we break this double top here, I think we can start moving up into this territory again, where the split was. So LITB is another one you can look at. ZA, and then that's it for today. ZA, all right. ZA broke the 100-day moving average and broke this double top right here. It's out of the consolidation box right now, and I would expect this one to continue. Consolidation box is pretty much. Let's get the bottoms here. Let's get the top. You can even come up here. So this stage is done. It's consolidated for many months, and now it's getting ready to reverse and head to the upside. But look at the volume here. One good volume, and you can get this thing screaming to the upside. So keep an eye on ZA for an explosive to the upside. All right. If you're not a member, join us in live chat. We have a lot of members coming in, but we're really nailing these things during the day. It's a very lucrative chat room from big boards, options, and these little stocks. It doesn't matter. If it's moving, we're going to catch it. All right, this is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. We will see you in live chat tomorrow. Become a member today.